Hey guys, it's Jack from Raleigh Crypto Society and Geek Assets. Going to do a quick video today. Sorry it's taken me a few days into the week. It's been a crazy 2 weeks for me. Busy with other business stuff and just all kinds of stuff going on. But instead of doing a quick, long-winded text email, I figured I would do a quick video. We are still in basically the season of, for the most part, the top 10 or the what I like to call crypto gold. These are the ones where the focus is on, other than a few other coins that are shooting through the roof. So we're not even in altcoin season yet. As far as most of the experts are concerned, we're going to see some big moves in the altcoins. Kind of moving funds between the big boys and the altcoins, getting ready for those movements is kind of where our mindset is right now. So let's take a quick look. We have made some moves over the last couple weeks, getting rid of some smaller coins and rebalancing the portfolio. So we'll talk about that. Um, let's actually take a look at some of the bigger coins first. So Bitcoin has kind of been caught in this same range, trading just below that 57,000. So like 53,000 to 57,000 range, 58,000 range. All the indicators and all the price action movements are looking like we're going to have a big burst to the top once again at some point here, but you never know. We do have a Bitcoin position from that last retracement that you guys, I told you about that last time we bought at 51,000 and then a little bit more right around 55,000. So we are holding for that move up, and then we'll probably see where we're at and once again take our profits to the sidelines and evaluate where we're at. So Ethereum, big mover in Ethereum here. We have a big position in Ethereum. You guys know that. We had mined Ethereum for 2 years and then bought some more. On this last retracement, I bought a couple of Ethereum coins, already dumped those because that was for a short-term trade. Probably should have held on for another week or so, but can't be upset when you take profits. Prediction on Ethereum, just so you guys know, we're going to probably hit 3,500 next. The next mid time frame type of projection is 5,000. I think we're going to hit 5,000 in Ethereum within the next 65 days. So if you don't have Ethereum, you probably want a little bit of it. Binance coin I don't have, and I wish I did, but I don't at the moment. Maybe on the next retracement we'll finally get into Binance coin. I hope some of you guys do have Binance coin. Doji coin is up 23% again. More power to you if you're in Doji coin. When this thing tanks, it's going to tank hard. Make your money, be smart, take profits. That's all I can say. Not in Doji coin, but congratulations to those people that are. Cardano is sitting solidly in the 130s. Big news coming in the next 30 days there, and we should see that next boost up. I'm really hoping to see us get closer to $2 at some point in the next 60 days here, just to see some real traction from Cardano. Polkadot, one of our big winners for over a year now. We've been in Polkadot since about $4 and change. This has been as high as around $40. We're going back to 40. As long as Ethereum and the other top 10s are doing well, we're predicting Polkadot $50 probably in the next 60 days, probably less than that as well. What's our long term on Polkadot? I don't know. I'd like to tell you it's a $100 coin. I think we'll have to reevaluate our big Polkadot holdings probably after $50 and see where we're at. Litecoin, we bought this one on the retracement. We're way up on Litecoin. It was bought as a short-term trade. It's become more of a longer-term trade at the moment, but as long as it's looking positive, we'll stick around in Litecoin. Bitcoin Cash, this has been a huge winner for us. We bought Bitcoin Cash right around a little over $800. We're almost at $1,200 now. That was supposed to be a short-term trade. It's turned into a longer-term trade. We'll reevaluate as we move forward. Huge winner here in Chainlink. We got in late to the party, but we did get in on the retracement, which means that there's a lesson to be learned here. I thought I missed out on Chainlink. A lot of times when you think you're missing out on something, there's always going to be an opportunity to stick your foot in the water. That last big retracement a week ago, a week and a half ago, whatever it was, we were able to get into Chainlink at $34. So yeah, I'm not a Chainlink guy that was in at $4 or $5, but I'm still making money off of Chainlink, and we're in a top 20 coin that is a phenomenal value. Chainlink probably needs to be a $100 coin. So we will see where we go with that. Wish I had a bigger stake in Chainlink. Maybe if there's a drop, I'll buy more. We'll see. But Chainlink is a long-term hold, one of the best of the top 20. We're not in VeChain. Stellar, some of us are in Stellar. I'm not in Stellar. Stellar is a slow mover, but it certainly is a mover. There's no doubt. It's up 6% today. Nothing to panic about. Stellar is a good coin. I wouldn't hold a lot of it. I think there's better places to put your money. Solana, missed out on Solana so far. Solana has had a wild ride. Solana is an amazing project that is a competitor basically of Ethereum for the most part. It's another one of those that's in that same ballpark, and they are up and running. So they are a legit competitor. 44.65, they've had a nice run as well. A couple of wild swings that you could have bought into. Solana may be something to trade on a more regular basis also, the way that coin seems to move. So we're going to take a good look at Solana. I know a few of our members are in Solana. Congratulations for that. It was a great buy. Okay. Blah 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 blah. Okay, here's a big one. A lot of members have jumped into Ethereum Classic because they just can't deny this run. It's unbelievable. I never thought in a million years that Ethereum Classic would move like this. Most people think it's because the newbies are coming in and they see the word Ethereum and they don't realize this is not the actual Ethereum. For whatever reason, it's up 116%. I would say be careful though. Make sure you take some profits off the table. Ethereum Classic at $75. I don't know about that. Maybe I'm wrong. I just don't know what the value is of getting into Ethereum Classic as a longer term hold. So obviously it's a trading opportunity for these people. They've made substantial profit. Congratulations. Be careful. All right. EOS is up 10%. Let's see what else is going on here. Okay, another big winner over the last 2 weeks is Pancake Swap. We've been in Pancake Swap. Let's see, where did we get in Pancake Swap? I don't have it written down on my list. I think it was around $23, $24. So Pancake Swap has been great. Again, wish I had a lot more Pancake Swap, but you can't be concerned. If you're making money, you're in good shape. Aave, we moved out of our Aave position. We called that one perfect, right into the 500s. So we're out of Aave at the moment. Great trading coin. The next retracement, if it goes down into the 300s again, we'll be back in Aave. Aave is a great coin, just not in it right now. Okay. Tezos. Tezos finally has made a move. We're in Tezos from about $5, $5.50, and so we're almost up $1 on Tezos. Don't know what the long-term scenario for us is on that trade. We may get out on this pump. We'll see what happens and put our money somewhere else. Algorand, I am not currently in Algorand. We usually trade in and out of Algorand. Algorand was a buy in the 120s, so I just didn't buy it this time. So watch Algorand. You'll probably get another pop, and you can take some money out of that. Polygon is taking a break after its gigantic move. Even though it is up another 4% today, Polygon was in the 90s on that big move up. We're going to be going back to the 90s. We can see breaking $1 on Polygon very, very soon. We have a substantial position there. It's not a buy at the moment, but hopefully everybody that's in is holding on for now. We did take a little profit in the 90s. We shaved off a little bit, which is what you should always do, and leave yourself with the balance for the run. Okay. All right, so let's talk about some of the things. Here's Decentraland sitting at 135. That's been pretty stagnant at the moment. We'll see another big run there. Same thing with Engine Coin in the 250s. We should see a run back to $3 there. Those are two solid coins that we hold, that we like quite a bit. If you're not in them, you can always buy when there's a retracement. They usually do a pretty substantial retracement. Phantom coin. This is a coin we don't own. This is a coin you should have on your radar. Yes, it's up 61% in the last 7 days. This is a very interesting coin. Be patient. I think you can buy this on the dips and dollar cost average into this position, but Phantom is a winner. There's no doubt about it. Okay, synthetics we're no longer in. The graph we're in, it's sitting basically where we bought it. This hasn't moved, but we know what it is with the graph. The minute it starts to make a move and goes towards $2, we'll be out of it again and waiting for the next dump. Okay, all right, so let's talk about some of the moves we did make. We moved out of Orchid and we moved out of CKB, which is Nervos Network. We like both of those coins, but we do not like them currently as much as two other coins that we're going to talk about right now. So you guys have seen this coin and you know that I'm very high on this Veracity. You've seen it on YouTube videos and you can do your research on this Veracity. We believe is a micro that's going to shoot through the roof. I think this easily is a 3 to 5xer for people that are looking for cheaper coins to load up on. I love Veracity. Usually you'll have a couple of down days where you can buy it at a cheaper rate. So dollar cost average in and build your bag of Veracity. We have ours at about 2 cents. So we're up on Veracity. So we put some of the money from the other two we sold into Veracity. And then the other coin that's going to be our featured coin today that we're definitely loading up on this. I have an order in to buy more of it today, and I want a serious position in this coin. This is Trust Swap. Okay, we bought near the top. Let me show you this. We knew we were buying near the top here at the 480 range. Okay, actually it's over here. Okay, so we knew we were buying closer to the top. So we are dollar cost averaging in. We wanted to step our foot in the water. We bought all the way at the top, like 480. Okay, but we knew we were going to buy in 4 to 5 more shots, but we didn't want to step our foot in the water. Since then, we have done exactly what I said we were going to do. We've bought as this thing is retraced back to these levels. We bought 2 more times, and we have an order in right now to be filled. On Trust Swap for more. So we're looking for a very good position here. We believe Trust Swap is going to be a $20 to $25 coin. Huge project, a lot of things going on. Check out the Trust Swap video that Journey Crypto did. Trust Swap video Journey Crypto did probably about 4 days ago or so. Substantial video talking about the guys behind Trust Swap. Trust Swap is going to be all over the place. They already have a lot of launches. They're a launching pad. They are going to have some touch to the NFT world. There's a whole bunch of things going on with Trust Swap. We believe this is another like our Pancake Swap, but we're getting it in a much earlier place. So it's similar to what we got in a Polkadot and Pancake Swap. Very high marks on Trust Swap. Get in anywhere you can. Just accumulate. If you could accumulate here between $3 and $4.50, I think that's a solid place. Just keep buying. And that's about it. The only other one that I would mention, I don't think I've missed any. Let's take a quick look at our Delta app and see if we missed anything before rolling on here. Oh, Anchor. Anchor and the Sandbox. I almost forgot that. And Ecomi. Boy, I'm all over the place. So Ecomi is basically sitting, Ecomi is one of those you hear me mention all the time. Okay, so Ecomi is basically sitting in this same area that it's been in. It's down 8% today. We're a long-term holder of Ecomi. We have over 240,000 of these. I don't really care what it does from a day-to-day basis. We know what Ecomi is. We know how mainstream this is and what they're doing and their licensing with the NFTs that they're doing. We're just waiting patiently for us to get closer to that 1 cent mark. I believe when it gets to that 1 cent solidly over that, we're looking at a 10 cent Ecomi, and that's a huge gain. So Ecomi is on the radar as always. Harmony is our other micro that you guys know we love. Harmony is sitting, it's been trading between 13 to about 15 cents, hasn't really made a move back to 20 yet. We own a lot of Harmony. It's just a matter of time. You've got to have patience. Got to have patience. This is when we should be accumulating and buying at this range. We have a pretty solid position, and we'll be looking for Harmony to go back to 2021 very, very soon. Anchor. Okay, Anchor. We only bought this right before the last dip. We're pretty much at break even now. I think we bought it around 16 cents, so this is doing nothing at the moment. I know it's boring, but I believe that this is one of those that you have to see when it gets a little closer to 18 how it reacts. If we can burst through the 18, we'll probably have a run on Anchor. We'll take our profits and move on, unless it looks so rock solid that we have to stick around. So if you're in Anchor, that's fine. If you're not in Anchor, I think your money is better off in Veracity or Harmony. The last one is the Sandbox. Here's another one that hasn't done much since we've been in it. Okay, this is a gaming coin for the most part, a gaming coin. We're about 3 cents below where we bought it. Probably our break even was probably around 64 or something like that. We will reevaluate. I like this coin a lot. Their 3-month is a little ragged. It's still up. Obviously, this chart, if I could draw a line on this chart, you'd see it's still up. It has taken a pretty big dip from this top. March 28th, it was at 90 cents. We came all the way down to 35 cents and then started the run back up to 68 cents here, and we're trading in between. So I can't do it on this ridiculous chart here, but if you plot, the breakout should be, I mean, we need a breakout above, we need to break out back above 65 cents. If we break out back above 65 cents, I think we're probably gonna test the 70 something cent range, 75 cent range, and we'll see how it goes. Sandbox, not exciting to watch, but it's in our portfolio. It's in the sector, one of the sectors that we like a lot. And that's about it for today. So we still believe for the moment in the top, most of the money is coming into these top positions. The Ethereums, even though Bitcoin isn't moving, Binance Coin, Polkadot, we're going to see a shift very soon into the alts moving like crazy again. It could be one of the biggest altcoin seasons over the next 60 days that we have ever seen. So when people are looking the other way, looking for where they're not looking. So right now, that's the Harmonies, that's the Ecomies, that's the Veracities, Trust Swap. These are the ones that we're slowly accumulating more and more of because we're going to see a big boost in those on the next run. So that's about it. So be careful, take profits from your bigger coins over the next week or so. Make sure you have money on the side for either A, another retracement, or B, to lock in some of these altcoins. And that's about it. Hopefully you guys got something out of this video. I know I went very quickly. Watch it again if you have to. Be patient. I know some of the coins that we're in right now aren't doing a whole heck of a lot. That's the way the cycle works here. Remember, everything is cycles with the crypto. We have the top 10 moving, and then you'll see that money flourish and move back into the altcoins, and you'll see those move. So it's kind of like a siphon. It comes from one into the other, and you have to be good at balancing this, or you're going to get caught on the wrong side, and then you're stuck. And we have done that ourselves, so nobody's an expert on that. There's no perfect crystal ball. We've gotten stuck before in coins where we have to hold on through the next cycle. So don't get stuck. You can always get more Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever on the next drop. So just make sure you have money on the side ready to pounce. Get your positions ready. We think we're in for a wild ride. 2021 has been amazing for us, the people that have really put in the time and energy to trade properly or to communicate directly with me and ask questions. But we believe that the rest of 2021 is going to be insanity when it comes to profits if you're actually focused and know what you're doing. It's generational wealth that many people are making right now in this marketplace. Generational wealth. So start with a little bit of money if that's all you have. Just work it properly and keep moving forward, and don't get too upset with anything because there's a new play almost on a regular basis. You did not miss the boat on one thing or the other. We thought we missed the boat on Chainlink. We're in it now. We thought we missed the boat on Bitcoin Cash. We're in it now. So it's a matter of learning, even when something has already moved, it's a matter of learning where the support is so that when those retracements come, you have a second chance of getting in. So you've never missed the boat. That's not the way it works with this market. Peace. We'll go forward together in profit, and we will see you on the next video. Take it easy. Bye.